I recently had a commenter write in with a question. Dear cooking lady from the internets. Yes. I recently bought a package of unsalted soy nuts from Whole Foods, thinking I'd enjoy them like I do other nuts. Not the case. What can I do with them to make them yummy? Sincerely, Curious Upper West Sider. My go-to theory for questions like this is the combo of sweet and salty. I give you Sriracha and honey roasted soy nuts. Put some parchment paper on the baking sheet to prevent sticking, and throw on the soy nuts. Then some olive oil, honey, and Sriracha. I added a bit of salt too. Mix it all up so that the soy nuts are coated, and bake. Once again, Sriracha saves the day. These are delicious. I could eat the whole bag like this. Word of warning though, soybeans are super nutrient dense, which also means they kind of pack a calorie punch, so, you know, maybe don't go too crazy. Or do. Why do I care?